10 easy lines on Dussehra. Dussehra is a famous festival of Hindus. It is celebrated on the 10th day in the Shukla Paksha of Ashwin month according to Hindu calendar. It is also known as Vijayadashami. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana and Goddess Durga killed Mahishasura. On this day, people go to Ram Leela to witness the big event of Ram-Ravana fight. A tall effigy of Ravana is burnt on this day. Many people worship Goddess Durga. People start new work on this day. The festival of Dussehra teaches us that good qualities always win. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.